Morning. I don't have my coffee yet because I need to make it, and over winter I made a new stove from actually a cocktail can in this case, and a new little thing for it to sit on. Again, I haven't tested it, so I hope it works because I want coffee. We're in business. Flame's a bit slow to start, but it's coming, and I can put the mount on. I have to have the little rocks so that it gets air in from the top. Okay. Great. Result: coffee off my new stove, the tent with its new elastic stayed up. Officially a successful first night of camping. That's my little cemetery campsite up on the ridge there. You can just see a few white gravestones. Final little climb, 300 meters up before I drop down to the Black Sea.
No, the road's closed. No way I'm dropping back 300 meters and then going in the other way, climbing 300 meters again. Let's have a look.
I guess the issue is that the lights are out in this tunnel and there's a bit of debris around. So I think I've got away with it. I went slowly, made sure I didn't fall down any holes. But as long as I can get out the other side, all good. Absolutely no problem getting my veggies in Turkey, if we're talking about spinach, that is. There's some very interesting architecture here. This definitely looks like it used to be a church with a modern minaret added on afterwards. And I don't think I've ever seen a metal sheeting facade on a building before. So this is an absolute result. I have met Sezai.
Bon appetit.
Eleanor Salug.
Sezai is a couchsurfing host, so I've been offered a place to stay tonight. I've been dropped off at Sezai's brother's place. What an incredible house! Amazing. I might have been world camping 13 kilometres that way on a beach, but instead I've got all the views with none of the hassle of a stealth camp. Fantastic.